So, hello and namaste from Mumbai. I'm Dr. Gaurang here, and I'm here to talk to you about one of the very important advanced techniques that many classical homeopaths and advanced homeopaths use. And one of the most important techniques is, and this comes a little later in your homeopathic journey, is is understanding the delusions in the mind section of the repertory. I believe that when you start understanding that, you really start growing as a homeopath. And just to give you a little idea, let's look at this repertory here, complete repertory, and let's look at some rubrics. Let's look at the rubric delusion. She has an abundance of everything. So the idea here and the remedy here is sulfur actually. This can be connected to another rubric, delusion wealth. It means that delusion I have wealth could be connected to another remedy. Delusion, let's say, great person he is. Okay. Now, when you look at all these rubrics together, you can have a look here. This three rubrics together is an entire pattern coming together of understanding of the feeling that okay, I have a lot of things, I have a lot of things, I have a lot of money, and I am a great person. And when you put it together, comes the attitude of this person where um तुम मुझे अभी जानते नहीं हो, you don't know me, who I am and how much I have. But the fact remains that in reality, it's not the truth. So this is the exaggerated state of I have abundance, I have wealth, I am a great person. So this pattern you have to understand by connecting different delusions together. This is the deep feeling of the remedy sulfur. So this is the way you understand the delusion rubrics. And for this, I invite you to learn repertory with us with the course that is starting very soon or just started. And I invite you to be a part of our new course with all the details, which is on a discount now. So thank you and namaste.